Okay, so good evening. This might be a little bit dark. So today I'm going to show a tutorial on how to create a Javadoc in NetBeans. So today here a program is called info with the main method here, and another class named student. So to create a Javadoc mainly contains comments. So first we are going to put a title in this. We just add in this comment. This one is a comment, this one is a comment, this one is a comment. So we'll just add something here like a title. Display student info with the author, the name, and you may also add a version. Add version like a 1.0 or something like that. So this next thing is the comment here is for the main method. So we just put something with some description about this method or what happens in that method. So we just call it inputs for student info. So that will be it. For the next class, as you can see here, this is a public. This is a default constructor, and this one is also a constructor, but it has something like this, like overriding. So this one initializes the following this name, the gender, and the level. So this is like initializers constructors in this. So next, this method contains the displaying of the name, the gender, and the year level of the student. So you already knew that this one displays the description of the student. We may add a comment to this method, and also for this constructor, this initializer. So to add a comment, we just add something like slash and again like that. So in here, it automatically the parameters are automatically created. This @param represents this one, @param w represents this one, the parameter y represents this one. So you may add a description or comment on the following parameters. But first, let us just give a title on this thing, on this method, this constructor. So it's like initialize this constructors, something like that. So here this parameter q is for the name, parameter w is for the gender, parameter y is for the year level. So that will be for the student constructor. Next will be the next method is the display method. So we may just copy this one, paste it here. Since this one has no parameters, we can remove this parameter and we just put something like the title. Just can just put the title. The title could be display result. We want that for this method. Okay, so we're done in the student class. We may also copy this one to the student class. So after that, we are going to change the properties. You just go to the project name and then right click and then go to properties. After that, click on the documenting and then this will show. Click the include private and package private members, the author and the version, so that the author and the version may show up. After that, we are done. So to display this on the web page, go to your file, go to your project folder and then click on this description, this folder. So in here there is nothing inside yet. So to create the Javadoc, click run and then click on generate Javadoc info. This will create the Javadoc. And just wait for a while. So it's successful, build successful. The folder is now the Javadoc folder. The distribution folder contains the Javadoc already. So it will be this one. And then after that, the web page will be shown. This contains the classes, the info of the student. So this is now the class summary. We click on the info. The description here is display student info, since we've put here display student info. Next, the student, same. If we click on class, this will be the info of the class, of the info class. So as you can see, the description is here, the version 1.0 and the author Trani. So it's in here, everything is in here. Field summary, gender, level and name. That's the inherited from the student class. Then a constructor summary info, method summaries, the method inherited from student, which is the display. The constructor details will be shown and the method details. This will be the main which is this one. The next is the student class. So this will be displayed. So direct noun subclass is info. Info is where the main method is. Again, the display in student info description is here, the version and the author. Field summary, we have the gender, level and the name as shown here. Since it's because of this also. this one, the fields, constructors, which is student, and the student constructor containing the string W, int Y, string Q, and the description, initialize constructors, which is this one. Next is the method summary, that is void, which is this one, display, with a given description, display result, which is this one. So that will be it. Then the field details, name, gender, level, the constructor, public, student, and the other constructor, student, with its parameters. Here shows the parameters. Q is for the name, W is for the gender, Y is for the year level, and the method display. So that will be all.